This video will focus on the Rajesh Exports crisis and identify key beneficiaries in the Indian gems and jewelry sector following the recent SEBI regulatory crackdown. SEBI, which is India's stock market regulator, has essentially caught Rajesh Exports, a major gold refiner and jewelry maker, faking its financial health on an unbelievable scale. Here is exactly what went wrong and what SEBI is doing about it. 1. Almost all their money was made up. The most shocking part of SEBI's investigation is that 97% to 99% of the revenue Rajesh Exports claimed to make was entirely fake. Between the years 2020 and 2024, the company reported making over 15 lakh crore rupees, around $180 billion in revenue. SEBI found that nearly all of this was simply invented on paper to make the company look massive and successful to investors. 2. Moving money around secretly. Instead of doing legitimate business, the investigation revealed that the company was playing a shell game with its money. They were taking company funds and secretly moving them through personal bank accounts, hidden related companies, and even using corporate money for the chairman's personal stock market trading. 3. Refusing to cooperate. When SEBI started getting suspicious after a shareholder complained about unpaid bills and asked to see the company's real accounting records, Rajesh Exports refused to hand them over. They blocked the investigators, hid their main accounting software, and even the company's official auditors broke their promise to share documents with SEBI. The consequences. Because this financial fraud is so massive, SEBI called it unheard of, the regulator dropped the hammer with an emergency order. The boss is banned. Rajesh Mehta, the chairman and CEO, is strictly banned from buying or selling his company's shares. SEBI determined he was the mastermind calling all the shots. A final warning. The company has been given 3 days to hand over every single document and explain where all the money actually went. New investigators. SEBI is bringing in a brand new forensic auditor to dig through the company's hard drives and books to find the truth. In simple terms, Rajesh Exports painted a picture of a booming multi-billion-dollar gold empire, but SEBI discovered it was almost entirely a mirage built on fake accounting, and they have grounded the CEO while they unravel the mess.
Because Rajesh Exports is in major trouble, its competitors have a great opportunity to swoop in and take its customers and investors. Here is how 3 specific companies will benefit. Titan Company. As the biggest player in the market, Titan is the natural backup choice. Everyday shoppers and big professional investors who are leaving Rajesh Exports will likely take their business and money to Titan instead. Kalyan Jewelers. Rajesh Exports did a lot of business overseas. Because Kalyan already has many stores around the world, they are perfectly positioned to step in and win over those international customers. Senco Gold. After the massive accounting fraud at Rajesh Exports, investors are nervous. Senco Gold has honest, healthy financial records, a clean balance sheet, making it a safe and trustworthy place for people to invest their money without worrying about hidden.
Now that Rajesh Exports has been benched due to its massive scandal, the rest of the jewelry industry is shifting around to fill the gap. Here is how the major players are settling into their new roles. The king stays the king. Titan is still the biggest and most powerful company in the market. They are sitting comfortably at the top and capturing the most business. The aggressive grower. Kalyan Jewelers is moving fast and strongly grabbing new customers and market share. The safe bet. Senco Gold is also picking up new business, but they are doing it in a steady, reliable, and secure way without taking big risks. The stragglers. Companies like PC Jeweler are struggling to keep pace. While the top 3 are racing ahead and scooping up the customers left behind by Rajesh Exports, PC Jeweler is moving too slowly to truly benefit from the situation. In short, Titan rules, Kalyan and Senco are successfully picking up the extra business in their own ways, and PC Jeweler is falling behind the pack. PC Jeweler, Q4 2026 results analysis. This video provides a recent breakdown of PC Jeweler's financial performance if you want to understand more about their current numbers and market position.
Titan is getting a massive boost right now because of 3 main reasons, making it the must-have stock for investors in India. Supercharged growth. Because its main rival is out of the picture, Titan is growing much faster than anyone expected by easily scooping up their lost customers. The honesty premium.
Since Rajesh Exports got caught cheating, investors are terrified of dirty accounting. Titan is famous for being run cleanly and legally, strong corporate governance. Because people trust them, they are willing to pay a premium to own Titan stock. The ultimate safe haven. Investors are flooded with confidence in the company. As a result, Titan has become the anchor, the ultimate safe, solid, and reliable stock that every investor wants at the center of their Indian stock portfolio to keep it stable. In short, Titan is winning big because it is growing fast, it is completely trustworthy, and investors view it as the safest place to put their money right now.
Thank you for watching this video.